Today in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to easily create this crayon balloon column. It is your balloon bestie, Karen Sawyer, certified balloon artist. Welcome back if you're returning. And if this is your first time, welcome. Please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you receive notification as soon as I upload new tutorials. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we are going to do the 5-pack method to create this large balloon crayon column. And we're doing the 5-pack method because it will give you a more rounded shape. So you're going to inflate 11 or 12-inch balloon to approximately 10 inches. And so the first or the bottom 10 rows will all be inflated to the same size. Again, approximately 10 inches. In the bottom row, you start with whatever color of the crayon you'd like, and then from the bottom, the second row from the bottom, you will go ahead and then add your black. And then third row from the bottom, go ahead with your crayon color. So the fourth row from the bottom, you will have 2 black balloons, and then 3 balloons will be in the same color as the rest of the balloons beneath that. So your crayon color. And then you're going to go ahead and place that toward the middle. Then the next row from there, again, is going to be 3 colored balloons based on your crayon color and 2 black balloons, but this time you're going to put 2 of the black balloons facing toward the front. So your pattern should be 1 black balloon and then 2 immediately above it. And then the row right above that, again, 2 black balloons, 3 colored balloons. And this time you're going to be sure to put only 1 of the black balloons facing toward the front. So you should have 1, 2, and then 1. That should be the pattern of your black balloons toward the front of your crayon balloon column. And then the next row will be all the same color, which would be the crayon color. And then the next row after that will be all black. And then after that black row, from there on, you will have 1 color. So whatever color you chose for your crayon, you will continue that all the way throughout the rest of your column. Now, as you get closer toward the tip of your balloon column, your crayon, your 11th, 12th, and 13th row, your sizes change. So take note of the changes. So the 11th row will be 9 inches, the 12th row will be 8 inches, and then the very top, which is 1 balloon, will be 7 inches. And there you have it. You've just completed your 9-foot Crayon Balloon Column. Thanks for watching.